So how much money do you actually need to start investing into the stock market in 2019? Well, to find that out, guys, all you simply have to do is subscribe first things first. Just kidding, you don't have to, but I would greatly appreciate it. Now, when it comes to how much money you really need to start investing into the stock market, guys, it's really a simple thing, okay? And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you decided, okay, hey, 2019 is gonna be my year. I'm gonna make this a New Year's resolution, and I'm gonna start investing into the stock market, correct? Hell yeah, man. We're about to start investing today. All right, so to answer this question, guys, how much money do you actually need to start investing? Well, you gotta ask yourself this one really simple question before you can even start putting money into the stock market. And that's basically, how much money can I afford to lose? Okay, so what I mean by this, guys, is how much money can you actually afford to lose if you were to lose your money into the stock market, okay? Of course, now, I'm not saying that if you invest into the stock market that you're gonna lose your money, okay? You're not in it to lose it, okay, right? You're in it to win it for the long run. Am I right, guys? Hell yeah, man. We're gonna win this thing. We're gonna beat the stock market. So you gotta be realistic with yourself on this question, okay, guys? You gotta think, okay, if I were to put this much amount of money into the stock market right now, I would be comfortable with losing it if the worst case scenario were to happen, okay? Now, for a lot of people, this number is gonna vary, okay? The amount of money that you're gonna need to invest into the stock market is gonna vary from person to person. And it's also gonna depend on your risk tolerance as well. So for some people, it might be $1. Of course, with the dollar, you're not gonna get really any great stocks with the dollar. For some people, it could be $20. Now, $20 is okay, but again, it's kind of a low amount, and I would suggest starting off with a little bit higher, more money. Now, we're talking $50, then $50 is a great start, okay? I mean, I'm pretty sure all of us can afford to at least lose $50, correct? What do you mean lose $50? Hey man, I worked hard for that money. So really, guys, just simply ask yourself, okay, if I were to invest $100, would I be okay with losing some or all of that $100? And once you figure out and get your feet wet into the stock market and actually, you know, get a feel of it, then you can get more comfortable with it. Therefore, you can start adding more money into the stock market. So if you started with $100, which is what I did, I started off with $100 and I got more comfortable with it. Next thing you know, I started adding a couple of hundred more dollars, and little by little, I got more comfy and started throwing a couple of thousands into the stock market. So now that I'm more experienced and whatnot, and I'm more comfortable with it, now I can say, okay, I'm comfortable with putting this much amount of money into the stock market. I know what I'm gonna put, and this is gonna be my risk tolerance for me, okay? Just please, guys, please do not invest your savings account money, okay? Do not invest your savings money or your rent money, bill money, whatever it is. Do not invest any of that money, okay? Make sure you have separate money to invest that's not including any of those things, okay? Because you don't want to be investing into the stock market and then next thing you know, you're down 50% and your bills are due, and yeah, you're gonna have money to pay those bills with, right? Next thing you know, you're getting out credit card loans and it just becomes a whole big mess. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Hopefully that answered your question really well. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, guys, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. As always, if you haven't already, be sure to also subscribe as well. And if you have any comments or concerns, leave me a comment down there in the section below, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.